following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Eastern Langlade County, Shawano County in northeastern Wisconsin, Menominee County in northeastern Wisconsin, Southern Forest County in northeastern Wisconsin, Northern Oconto County in northeastern Wisconsin, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southwest of Crandon to near Pearson to 7 miles east of Antigo to 11 miles west of Neopit to 7 miles east of Bevan, moving northeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shawano, Crandon, Wittenberg, White Lake, Carter, Legend Lake, Pearson, Neopit, Keshena, and Langlade. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Forest, Langlade, Menominee, Oconto, and Shawano.